Something in my possession that's Norwegian, but that is so rare that many Norwegians have never even seen one. The fabled 1000 kroner lapp. Look at that there. Flip it to this side. Whoa, look at that. He says he's never even seen one in years, but I have one right here. Now, because of the culture of Norway, I'm not gonna lie, you guys got me out here feeling like I'm a criminal. I'm out here in a park. Look, I'm in a park right now. And I definitely feel like a criminal sitting in a park with a 1000 kroner lapp in my hand. I'm gonna put this away before somebody robs me. Nah, nobody gonna rob me. It's Norway, but you know what I mean. I really was just sitting in the park trying to defeat this Pokemon Go gym. And now that I done pulled out that 1000 kroner lapp, now I need to get out of here. People around me looking at me funny. Who's that guy? Why does he have cash? What's he doing? He's probably up to no good. That's what you all think when you see somebody with cash. So I gotta get out of here. Norway is super safe, so I'm definitely safe from being robbed or harmed or something like that in a physical way. But I'm not safe from public opinion and public judgment of sitting out here with money. That's why I gotta go. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that. In case you've never seen one, boom, now you have.